Hello everyone, my name is Radish Reddy Yadula. Now I am going to present my final project of my information management course. As a part of my course, I designed a database called Homeshopping database. The exclusive purpose of this database is that it allows customers to buy goods directly from a seller or shop using a website or app. There will be no third party service provider between the customer and our service. For this, I designed a database called Home Shopping Database that includes all items of a shop so that customers can do online shopping from their home or from their workplace. My database contains data of all items of a shop and helps user to view and buy them online through our database system. It helps them in saving their valuable time from going to malls for shopping. And coming to the designing part, I designed the database system in a way that service provider can register their shop and update their items. The customer should also register in our database system in order to purchase items from their shops or from the shops. For the in database designing, I normalized the data into three normal forms that is mainly required to maintain integrity all over the database. I followed all, I followed all the normal form rules and assigned primary keys and foreign keys to each table and established relationships between them. Here is the normalization I did. I normalized the whole home shopping database into normalized forms to assign primary keys and maintain integrity all over the database system. And coming to the advantages, the main advantage of my database system is that customers can know how many shops are there that offers a particular item with maximum discount and less price. By this, customer can save money and time, and payment can be done online, and delivery will be on time. This is the main advantage of my database system. And coming to the entities, I mean tables. These are the tables in my database system. Bank categories, items, purchase, shipment, shop registry, and subcategories, transaction, user registration. The bank, the bank table used to store customer account details, and the items table stores the different items that are available in shops, and the purchase table contains all the data of a customer purchased items, and shipment contains the details of customer address to deliver items, and shop registry contains the details of the shops, and subcategories contains information of categories IDs, and transaction table contains the details of customer transactions, and user registry contains the details of online registered customers. And coming to the attributes, here you can see the attributes are nothing but columns in a database system. For shop registry, here are the attributes: shop id, shop name, password, etc. These all are the attributes. And and the square boxes are called entities, which are tables in my database system. The main purpose of the attributes are they represent properties of an entity or table. Attributes are used as for primary keys and as well as foreign keys, and can be used in establishing relationships between the tables. They store data that is exclusively intended to a particular table entity and is placed under that particular entity. In my database, I made sure that I added attributes to every entity and used them to establish relationships and extract whole data of an entity using queries and using primary keys and foreign keys. These are the attributes I used in my database system: shop ID, shop name, etc. These are the attributes in my database system. And coming to the keys, here are the primary keys. A table typically contains a column, and every table must have a primary key that is unique. I mean, a primary key must be unique, and it can't accept null values, because a primary key is used to extract data from a particular entity. It Because primary key constant guarantee unique data, they are frequently defined on an identity column. Coming to the foreign key, a foreign key is a table column that establishes a link from from the table it resides into the primary key or a candidate key in another related table. The foreign key is the anchor on the many side of a one-to-many relationship. That this means that in my database, a shop registry in my database, shop registry has shop ID as primary key. In the same manner, categories as shop ID, that is foreign key. A primary key in one key is a foreign key in another table. A primary key in one table is a foreign key in other table. So the foreign key is the anchor on the many side of a one-to-many relationship. A foreign key does not allow invalid data entered into a table. It prohibits from doing a delete or update operation that might leave orphan rows. This is also known as declarative referential integrity. Here are the keys in my database system: primary keys and foreign keys. These are the primary keys and these are the foreign keys. And here are some of the examples I used to extract data from tables. So in this example, I I I want to know I want to know the shirts with price less than 60%. So I used a query called select all from items, where item name is called shirt and price is less than 70. So here I got the output like shirts which are less than $70. So in example 2, selecting different items from different shops and knowing about the prices with the shop. So in example 2, I used a query called select item name, price description, shop name, state, mobile from items shop registry. I got this output where I got item name, price description, and shop name, and their address and mobile numbers. Same way in example 3, I want to know about a customer called Kumar Raju and his transaction and the transactions he made. So I used a query called select all from user registry transactions, where username is equal to Kumar Raju and address is equal to 1-1-1. So here I got this output. It displays all the transactions made by Kumar Raju in the past period. Thank you. This is my database system.